The wind deflector brackets serve as reinforcement for wind deflectors at the cantilever in an array. To install, position the bracket beneath the module and pull it to engage the module's return flange. Slide the bracket to align its attachment point with the slot in the deflector. The bracket is secured to the wind deflector with a hex bolt and washer. To make the process easier, use one hand to squeeze the bracket and the deflector together so that they meet at the attachment point. With the other hand, slip the washer and bolt into the slot and tighten with an impact driver. The ends of the wind deflectors can be further reinforced by anchoring them to the next deflector in a row with self-tapping screws. At the top edge of the deflector, use an impact driver to drive the screw through both deflectors until they are bolted securely together. Drive a second self-tapping screw directly below the first, on the other side of the attachment slots.